NBK-Design video. I'm AnikA, one of the creative team member from NBK-Design. The product you will see in this video were received free of charge as part of my free creative teamwork for NBK-Design. Today I want to show you the out-of-the-box frames from the February Precious collection. Here you can see the packs in this collection. I don't go into the detail because we already have such an unpacking video, and I want to show you how you can use the out-of-the-box frames. And let's open this one, double click, and here it is. You can see we have two masks, and now we need paper. I will start with a solid paper. And you can see the out-of-the-box frames have multiple layers, and we need to drag all of them on the paper. We can do this by clicking in an empty space here and drag a selection over it. And we can also make the first layer active, press and hold Shift on your keyboard, and make the last layer active, and the other layers are also active now, and we can drag it on top. Now still the layers are active. We can resize this frame, and now we can add a photo. So I make the first mask active, and I will open a photo and drag it on top, resize it first a little bit that it covers the masks, something like this. And then we clip the photo into the mask, press and hold Alt on your keyboard and go between the two lines, two layers. And now we make a copy of this photo, Controller Command J, and we drag this copy to the second mask here. Don't move it around, just move the layer here, and then again Alt and clip it into the mask. What we can do now, we can, for example, make the second layer black and white, and something like this. And that's it. Another way what you can do is, I will erase this second photo, so I have my mask here. We can apply a style. In this February collection we have, for example, the glitter styles, or we have this vintage styles. Double click on the file here and they're installed here, and we can try to apply a style. Something like this, or like this. And if you think the edges here are too harsh, you can change your mask. Make the first mask active, and we make a copy of it, Controller Command J, and we bring it at the end, and we hide this. And because we made a copy and we were between the two layers, the photo is unclipped, so we clip it again. Press Alt and clip. Now we have this mask copy here in case we mess up our mask. Make the mask active. Color doesn't matter, make black and white, and then we go to the brush, and for example we choose a soft round brush, and we'll reduce the opacity a little bit. And now you can paint over these edges where you think they are too harsh, and you can make it smoother with a soft brush. Or you can make the opposite, of course. Click the eraser tool, and you can also erase a little bit and make the edges smoother. Okay, in case you messed up and you can't find a way back to the original, just delete this mask and make your copy active, clip it again into the photo, and you have it, the original, and you have the original again. Another way what you can do, I will delete this effect from the mask. We also can clip a paper into the mask. We have those gessos, and let's open this one. We drag it on top, and now it's clipped into my first mask. I don't want to have this, so I need to unclip it and remove it on top of our second mask. And because we were again between the two layers here, the photo is unclipped. Again, clip it. It's easy, alt and clip, and the paper we clip also into the mask, and grab the paper and we can place it, can resize it. Okay, this is another way. So you can clip into the mask a paper, you can apply a style, or you can clip the same image into the mask, and you can change the color, make it black and white to get a little bit of opposite between the two masks, and that's all. And you get a nice effect with this out of the box frame. So thanks for watching and see you. Bye.